Okay, so today I will be turning my ThinkPad into an ultimate computing server. I'm talking about this one. This is a Lenovo 2010 T410 ThinkPad. And to be honest, it's quite decent. It's got an Intel Core i7 inside and originally came with Windows 7. That does not matter as I will be installing Linux later. It's got some decent ports, I must say, and a CD-DVD mechanic that I'm going to be replacing later for something too. For the fun of it, it has a dial-up modem inside. So it's pretty old. So before I can turn this into a server, I need to refurbish it. Speaking of refurbishments, I will also upgrade it with a new thermal compound, a SSD, and the caddy for an old HDD. Now I will try to test boot Windows on the ThinkPad. Windows is on an HDD drive that originally came with the system. As you can see, I upgraded it to an SSD that I will install Linux onto later on. As you can see, I have now successfully logged into Windows. Now I just need to 3D print a kickstand, and in the next episode I'm going to be installing Alpine Linux, so definitely stay tuned.